What information do I need to activate my Metro SIM card in another phone?
Welcome to your one-stop solution for activating your Metro SIM card in a different phone. In this video, we'll guide you through the necessary information and steps required to get your Metro SIM card up and running in no time.
What information do I need?
Before you start the activation process, make sure you have the following information at hand. 1. Metro SIM card. You will need your Metro SIM card that you want to activate. 2. New phone's IMEI number. The IMEI, International Mobile Equipment Identity, number is a unique code associated with your new phone. You can usually find it on the device's box or in the phone's settings. 3. Personal information. Be prepared to provide your name, address, and possibly additional information to verify your identity. 4. Metro account details. If you have an existing Metro account, you'll need your account number and password.
How do I activate my SIM card?
The activation process for Metro SIM card is fairly straightforward. Here's what you need to do. 1. Insert your SIM card. Start by inserting your Metro SIM card into your new phone. 2. Contact Metro Customer Service. Get in touch with Metro Customer Service by dialing 611 from your Metro phone, or call 1-888-8-METRO-8, 1-888-863-8768 from a different phone. 3. Provide necessary information. Provide them with the necessary information: your Metro SIM card details, your new phone's IMEI number, and your personal details. 4. Follow their instructions. The customer service representative will guide you through the process. Follow their instructions to complete the activation process.
What if I face issues?
Sometimes, despite following all the steps, you might face issues during the activation process. If you run into any trouble, don't hesitate to contact Metro Customer Service for further assistance. They are there to help. And that's it. Now you know all the necessary steps and information to activate your Metro SIM card on a different phone. Remember, the customer service team is always there to assist if you encounter any issues. We hope this guide makes your transition as smooth as possible. Happy communicating!